Hi, this is Karen Moreland. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple watermark using Photoshop. Let's go ahead and create a new image. We can start out with a file that's 1000 by 1000 pixels. We want our resolution to be pretty high at 300 and make sure our background is transparent. Let's go ahead and zoom out here. The first thing we want to do is create another layer so we can add some text. Let's go up and pick whatever font you want to, and we're just going to call this Pretty Eyes Photography. Once you have one layer, we can do another layer for photography just so we have a little bit more control over our design. I'm going to choose a different font here and add the word photography. And this is where you can get as creative as you want to and experiment with different fonts and positioning and anything you really want to do. I'm going to free transform this to make it the shape that I want it to be. Also going to free transform Pretty Eyes. You can stretch it however you want to, do whatever you need to with free transform. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio, click on the little button up here and that will reset the aspect ratio. So I'm going to hit OK, and the next thing I want to do is create another layer and go down to the custom shape tool, and I have these really cute little eyelashes I want to use for this logo. So let's go ahead and stretch them out, and just to your liking, whatever you want to do with your design. You can put shapes in here or brushes or anything you want to. Just make it fun. There's all kinds of free tools and brushes and shapes online that you can download. So once I have everything kind of the way that I want it, I'm going and selecting all my layers, and I'm up here on the move tool and I want to center everything. So I'm going to hit this little button to center it all. And then let's go ahead and crop out all this unnecessary space. You can hold down your Alt or Option key to make it crop a little more evenly. So let's go ahead and drag in the edges, get in as close as you want to, and hit OK. And then from here, all we need to do is go down to Edit and Define Brush Preset. And let's name it Pretty Eyes Watermark. And hit OK. And that is it. So anytime you want to access this brush, let me show you where it is stored. Just make sure you have selected your brush tool and go up here to the brush picker, and it should usually be in the very bottom. Let me scroll up and show you. Here's all the brushes that are available, and if you scroll down you'll see everything that you have, and it's usually right here at the very bottom. So let's go ahead and test this out on an image. So go ahead and open whatever image you like and make sure you have your brush tool selected. And we're going to make a new layer so we have more control over our watermark, and choose whatever color you want and then stamp it. And that is it. Of course, you can change the opacity of this layer or make it larger or smaller or whatever you'd like to do, but you have total control over your watermark. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.